Welcome back. Class is back in session after a short recess. Sorry, I had to do it. I've been waiting to say that. Okay, I'm joined here this morning with Calissa, Kirsten, and Dylan, 3 members of the PHS Culinary Arts cooking team. And along with the other 2 pictured there, Dominic and Topanga, and Chef Anthony, of course, they're going to be competing tomorrow against Sparta High School in a head-to-head cooking competition, making an appetizer, a main dish, and a dessert as well. And today we're making an awesome salad. They're teaching me a way to make a vinaigrette dressing. We made one in our last segment with blueberry dressing. I'm excited to see what that tastes like. And we're gonna be layering the salad together. Now, a big part of cooking competitions deals with presentation, and that's something that Chef Anthony teaches his students, and they're gonna show me how to present this salad right now. Calissa, I'll let you get started.
Okay, so first we're just gonna kind of toss it a little more, even it up, and get it in the bowl. You wanna make sure this is fluffy, so it's all even.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and use it all?
Kind of, as much as I can get, at least.
Mm-hmm. And I think we mentioned in our last segment, all these greens and produce are donated this morning by Martinez Produce. We appreciate them helping us out here.
Very colorful.
Helping out. Oh, so what do we got here?
Now she's gonna lay out the cucumbers. We're going by color today, so we're gonna even out each color
Okay, so we've got our greens for our bottom layer. Okay, is there like too many, or like how do you decide how many of the cucumbers to put on there?
Well, we usually put like an even number, so it's like appealing to the eye.
Okay, and this would be considered probably a salad for 2 or just for 1, you think?
I would consider it a dinner salad for 1.
Okay. Now we're moving on to the carrots. What type of cut did you guys use on these carrots?
We did a julienne cut.
Julienne cut. Very good. Very good. And so we have blueberries in the dressing, but you're also putting blueberries on the salad as well.
Yes.
Okay.
It gives it like a little touch, a little extra.
Yeah. And there's nothing wrong with mixing fruits and veggies?
It's actually, it gives it more of a boost with the flavor and just a little more bling or something.
Calissa, do you feel like your palate has grown since you've started taking classes
Definitely.
in the culinary arts department? Yeah?
Like before, I couldn't eat any kind of spicy things. Like I wasn't used to any spicy things, or like some flavors I wasn't like as common to. Chef Anthony kind of like talked us through it and showed us new like tastes and new things we can make.
Yes, I know. Chef Anthony has provided a lot of spice in his dishes here on the morning show, so yeah, I'm well aware that he likes spice. Keeps trying to stump me, but I like spice too, yeah. All right. Okay, so we've added some strawberries, and are these apples or pears that you cut up here?
These are apples.
Apples?
Apple slices. Yeah, they're almost like chip-sized.
Okay. What do we have next?
This is the onion, and we're just gonna do like a little pattern. Little circular pattern.
Great. Oh, that looks good. Be almost ashamed to dig into this because then it's going to take away from the beautiful product that you make, but that's the point of it, right?
Mm-hmm. You gotta pick out what you want out of it.
Mm-hmm.
And just...
What kind of cheese are we using today?
We're gonna use marinara cheese.
Mozzarella. Mozzarella cheese?
Mozzarella, yeah. And there were actual pearls, but like we cut them into thirds.
Mozzarella cheese goes really good with marinara sauce.
Mm-hmm. That's why I said that.
Yes. And a little bit of coarse ground pepper on top there.
Yes.
Are we done?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is beautiful. Let's get a close up of this. Can't. There we go. Look at that presentation right there. I would say that's award-winning, but there's only one way to find out.
Go ahead.
I don't know where to begin here. This will be good. Okay, so tell me a little bit about what you guys, while I try to eat this and not make a mess, what you guys have done to prepare for tomorrow's competition.
Okay, so yesterday we met up in study hall, and we've been meeting up in study hall for most of the week. And we've been just like talking about and figuring out what taste we think would go good with the salad. So we all agreed on the blueberry because it just gives it a little bit of sweetness and a little bit more flavor. And the strawberries, well, they mix really well with the blueberries. And the apple, I'm surprised that worked out as well with the cucumbers, but the cucumbers don't have as much of a taste, so.
And good selection with the blueberry vinaigrette too. I can taste you said that was grapefruit at the beginning? So I can taste the grapefruit, citrus, I can taste the blueberry, just enough amount of sweetness, not too much, because you don't want your salad dressing to be too sweet, for sure. But yeah, it was a good combination. Congratulations, guys, you did wonderful.
Thank you.
All right, and good luck tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right, that's it. That's a wrap. You can find these 3 segments on our website later this morning, KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be right back.